So we're out here in the garage today, and my grandmother passed about a little over a year ago, and two of the things I got um, that were hers and serve a lot of memory for me because I learned to cook from my grandmother largely. There was other influences, but um, got that passion from her. So some cast iron cookware. This is a griddle. It's a Lodge. And then one that you don't see much is a skillet with the lid. I don't know if this is Lodge or I don't know. Doesn't say. But 12 and 7/16 frying pan, and we're going to try to bring it back to life. As you can see, there's quite a bit of rust on them. I use some cast iron, but I've never had to bring one back to life. So we're going to use a die grinder, get some of this rust off, and then try to re-season these things. And I'll show you the progress as we go. So here you can see grinding this. I ended up having to switch to a different different wire wheel by the end, but it took about an hour and a half to grind both pans and the lid. Uh, got it all off, and then ended up coating it with canola oil and baking it at 350 degrees. You'll see the results of the first attempt here in a minute. Well, we got them cleaned out. Did our first coat on seasoning. Need a few more, and you can see oil pooled a little bit over in that corner. Whether or not I have to redo that, we'll see. But coming along. Alright, so here we are. It's 3 coats of seasoning on this, and baked it a 4th time just because there was a little bit of pooling. Each time it was for an hour at 450 degrees. Then turned it off and let them just cool. Turned out pretty good. It's a little bit of pooling in some spots and whatnot. That's why I did the 4th bake. But I think it'll work out alright. If not, we'll start over again and try again. But yeah, from where we started to where we are, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll get some fried chicken or some steaks grilling or something and give these a try this weekend. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.